Hi, my name is Khan. I'm from Group 12. I will talk about the Project Management Plan Review. First, let's talk about organization and competitiveness. In this part, our group finished the following parts. First is about scope and objective. In this part, the scope our group defined is how the survivor can be searched by the robot, and the objective is to search as much as survivor as possible. The roles in the team are such as managers and project managers and testing managers and some coders as well. The constraints in our group is mostly budget, which is time in this project. And we'll also talk about the documents. The documents are basically the requirements for software and hardware, and also the requirements for the home project, as well as the specification project. Also, we'll talk about the control mechanism, which is the agent, the environment, and we will use this environment through the whole time of our project. The second part is technical. We define the requirements for software and hardware, and the requirements for software is basically the development environment for Nergal, and we mostly use Java, and we install the Eclipse as well. And the hardware is provided by the Nergal kit, such as the sensors and the SD card, which is connected to the computer to Nergal. And also the development techniques we used are GitHubs or Trails, and those tools are useful. In the breakdown section, we define the unique identifier, which we defined is the successful factor of our project, such as the due date and how well the robot can search for the survivor. And we also defined the work responsibility in our project, which is divided into each person, such as a manager, such as a coder, such as a tester. Next, we'll talk about the project milestones. In our plan, we defined the milestones as week 6 and week 8. And these are two main milestones in our project. And also the key deliveries and the success criteria are defined. They are basically the measurement of how the robots can search for the survivor and how many survivors it can be searched. Next, we'll talk about the testing and quality assurance. The testing strategy is mostly about, it's based on the agile environment. It's about the construction and release a loop through this circle, and we test our project through this loop over and over. Also, we'll talk about the metrics for the project quality, which are some factors such as leadership, the management, and how well our group member can engage with each other, and how the project management plan can be developed, and so on. We didn't talk about something like the role of administrator and some other stuff, because currently we work as a team and we are more to define a manager instead of someone in charge. Actually, we don't think a manager is fully in charge of our group. Everyone has the responsibility to take care of the project, and we will define that later. That's all for my review. Thank you.